आणि या फेस्ता सुमार 3 किंग्स जे म्हणटात ते घोड्यांचेर बसून येतात आणि मिसांत वांटो घेतात.
I became king in 2019. Every year since that, I've always been coming with my father for this feast.
It's a feast of Epiphany, and we would like to wish everybody a happy feast. This is one of our tradition which is going on for more than 500 years. Today, the 3 wise men are selected. One is from Koeli, Arosi, and Kansaulim. These kids represent the kings who came to visit Jesus. This is one of our oldest tradition.
बरें आयज फेस्त जाता जाल्यार ते रमेश सायबिणीचें फेस्त. रमेश सायबीण म्हळ्यार आमच्या कपेलाची आस्कारी.
आसाले आरोसी कोयली सोडून आमचे सगळे गोंयकार जे आसा पळय भाव भयण तांचे सगळ्यांचे फेस्त एंड वी ऑल वॉक अप द हिल एंड कम टू दिस चर्च.
My name is Sean Mascarenas, and I thank Lord for making me a king this day.
I feel very blessed today that I get to impersonate one of the wise men.
I have to thank my parents for making me a king.
In-laws wish when he was born. He was little critical, so that time she had made a wish. If everything goes well, then she will make him a king. We have been trying for this occasion many years, but we were in the queue and we got this opportunity this year.
काय जाऊन ही खुशालकायेची परब आम्ही सगळ्यांक आवडटा.
We don't enjoy to celebrate this auspicious day, the 3 kings.